Hello, my name is Karina Ramirez, a recent graduate of the Healthcare Administration program here at Cal State Long Beach. In this video, I will discuss what HIPAA is, what it stands for, and what are some of the penalties that a person or organization can face if they violate HIPAA. HIPAA stands for the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, and its primary goal is to keep PHI, known as Protected Health Information, safe and secure and out of the hands of anyone who should not have access to it. Some of the other reasons why it was implemented was for millions of working families to be able to move their health information from job to job without there having to be a lapse in coverage, and also to reduce fraud and abuse in the healthcare system. Some of the rights that we as patients have under the HIPAA law is that we have the right to request and see and get a copy of our PHI at any point in time. We have the right to request that any conversations regarding PHI be kept confidential and to a minimum. And also we have the right to request a list of disclosures that have been made on our PHI. And lastly, we have the right to file a complaint at any point in time if we feel that our privacy has been violated. We can do so at the provider's chief privacy officer office of whatever organization you're attending, either it be a hospital or a clinic. We can file a complaint there. Also with the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services at the Civil Rights Office. And lastly, you can do it online at www.gov/org/HIPAA. You can do so. You can file a complaint doing any of those three ways. And also now I'm going to talk to you about some of the penalties that a person or an organization can face if they do violate HIPAA at any point in time. And I'm going to start off with the minimum, which is when someone violates HIPAA without unwilling, not on purpose, or they didn't know that they had to keep that certain PHI information confidential. So that's $100 per violation, up to $25,000 per year. And the last one is if they did it willingly, they knew they were supposed to keep that PHI confidential and they didn't, so there was neglect, and or also a correction hasn't been made on a prior HIPAA violation. That can be $50,000 per violation, up to $1.5 million per year as well. So I hope that this video gave you a better understanding of what HIPAA is and what it was intended to do, and also some of the penalties that we can face if we do not keep PHI confidential and secure. As healthcare administrators, it is our job to obey HIPAA at all times and to keep PHI secure. And I hope that this video gave you a better understanding of that. Thank you so much for your time.